People love saying Bugatti has the biggest engine ever. Cool story. Now listen to this, because the last one literally shakes buildings. First up, Fiat S76, also known as the Beast of Turin. It runs an inline-4, and yeah, that sounds funny until you see the displacement, 28.4 liters. At that point, the word engine feels almost disrespectful. Next, the Packard Bentley Mavis, a 42-liter V12 ripped straight from a World War II aircraft, around 1,500 horsepower. It's so loud, your eardrums would basically quit their job if you stood too close without protection. But the undisputed final boss, a BMW Brutus. This absolute unit features a 46.0-liter V12 aircraft engine from World War I. It's got so much displacement that it's basically like strapping 23 Honda Civics together. When this thing fires up in a German museum, the whole neighborhood starts shaking like earthquake.